So today I visited this temple and prayed to God Ganesha. And usually I do three things in my life. One thing is I visit temples regularly. Second thing is I visit libraries. Third thing is I go to gyms. I have been hitting gym for more than 40 years. That's one thing. And I visit libraries across India and world. Especially, I also visited libraries in Seattle in USA, and I have been hitting gym for more than 40 years. And I also did workout in Seattle, USA. So these are all the three hallmarks of my personality. One is visiting the temple. Second thing is visiting the libraries and hitting gym more than 40 years. These are all the aspects you will find in my life. So what I am doing is I feed pigeons regularly. This I have cultivated when I was in Jodhpur. 1986 to 1991, I had the practice of feeding pigeons in Jodhpur. So I cultivated this practice of feeding pigeons. It's a nice thing. I do that. I do other things also, like I I feed street dogs daily, and once in a week I feed non-vegetarian stuff for dogs. Street dogs I do it. So these are all the things I am doing within my limited capacity. And my name is Professor M.S. Rao. I have authored 54 books, including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate, His Holiness Dalai Lama, has written a foreword. I have 44 years of diversified experience, including Indian Air Force, business, teaching, and training. I am a storyteller, philosopher, researcher, and I do lots of things. So right now, my wife is feeding pigeons, so I will also feed. So express gratitude, just I'm a survivor of brain stroke here. My body was totally paralyzed. Actually, I'm recovering. My right shoulder and right hand has been numb for last 4 years. So I'm happy that I survived this. God bless. Not doing carrying. I belong to a lower middle class family. I was born into a toxic family and grew up in a toxic environment. I have lots of challenges. I have mental challenges, physical challenges, and financial challenges. I am 62 years old with lots of challenges. Despite all the challenges, I rose from the ashes like a phoenix. So never give up. Life is a gift. Life is an opportunity. So my right shoulder and the right hand has been numb. So I'm feeling. So friends, this is what I do it. So I am holding my smartphone with my left hand, and my right shoulder and the right hand has been numb for last 4 years. So I am trying to stage a comeback despite financial challenges, mental challenges, and physical challenges. So I feed pigeons regularly, and I feed cows also with chapati. Then daily I feed street dogs in our locality, and usually on Sundays I feed non-veg stuff for street dogs. That's what I am doing. So friends, don't invent excuses, and whatever is possible, you do it and serve societies. If you have money, you donate. If you don't have money, invest your time. The biggest gift you can give it to anybody is time. So invest your time and serve communities, add value and impact. Oh, excellent. So really, it's a great day that I'm feeding birds. Sometimes I'm stammering after the brain stroke. Sometimes I'm repeating the same thing after the brain stroke. I'm using blood thinner. So friends, add value and impact, and express gratitude. Emphasize humanity. Emphasize empathy. There is nothing greater than humanity. Humanity is everything. Thank you, friends, with gratitude.